Hi everybody, this is Vasu DJ. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to calculate coefficient of correlation. Now, the coefficient of correlation by spearman-Rank difference method. What are the procedure we have to follow while finding the coefficient of correlation? The first one is rank the individuals from the highest to lowest in the first variable. If two or more students get the same score, give them the average rank. For example, the two individuals C and E get same score of 59. Each is ranked 9.5 instead of 9 and other 10. Call these as rank R1. Now similarly, rank the second variable and call them as R2. Third step, find the difference between each pair of rank, that is capital D is equal to R1 minus R2. Check that the algebraic sum of D, the summation D, is always 0. If you add all D, you must get 0. Now fourth is square each D. To find D square, sum of D square and apply the formula. What formula? Is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square by n into n square minus 1. This formula we have to use to find coefficient of correlation. Now that is for how to interpret the question. So always this scores is right between 0 to plus or minus 1. So your first, suppose row is from 0 to plus or minus 0.2. What interpretation denotes an indifferent, negligible relationship. No such good relationship. So we have negligible. We can neglect. And second is row, if row the value is 0.2 plus or minus 0.2 to plus or minus 0.4, denotes definite correlation is there, but very low. Slight relationship, like that we can interpret. If rho is 0.402 plus or minus 0.7, denotes a substantial marked relationship. Okay, because 0.7 is there. So rho is from plus or minus 0.7 to plus or minus 0.99, denotes high to very high relationship. So rho is plus or minus 1, denotes a perfect relationship. If it is positive, in perfectly positive relationship, or negatively relationship, like that we have to interpret if we get any one of result. Now let us take one problem. To compute coefficient of correlation by following difference method for following data and interpret. So here two scores are there. Marks in science, marks in mathematics. Here marks students are there: 92, 77, 68, 59, 91, 60, 97, 59, 79, 72. These are the scores. So same student, how they will get the score in mathematics. So here first what we have to do, here first we have to give the ranks for these scores. So the highest one is 97. So that is the first rank. The next rank less than this 97, that is 92. Like this we have to give the ranks to all the score. 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8. Next 59 and 59. These two scores repeated. These two students got same marks. So here after 7, so 8, after 8, 9, 10 we cannot give. Okay. So 9 plus. So here 10, that is 19. So divided by 2, that is 9.5. We have to give 9.5, 9.5. Not give 9 and 10. Okay. So we divide these two into 2. You will get 9.5, 9.5. So because up to 8 given. Next to 9 we have to give. We cannot give 9 and here because both are having the same marks. So we have to divide that rank into 2. 0.5, 0.5 we have to add. So like this we have to give ranks to first group of scores. Now in matrix also we have to give the rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 62 and here 62. So that is 7 and 8. So we have to add and divide by 2. We will get 7.5, 7.5, 7, 8. So now 9 is 52. Now 10 is 44. Like this we have to give rank 2. Now take the difference between rank 1 and rank 2. Will get your 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 4, 0 0.5, 2, minus 1.5. So if we add all, we must get 0. We will get d is equal to 0. Now square it, d square. We will get, so here sigma d square. If we add all, we get 45.5. Okay. So first rank we have to give for first group, and there is R1, second group rank R2. Then take the difference R1 minus R2. Then whatever d you get, d square we have to do. Add all the d square. We will get the sigma d square. So always d, summation d, if you add all, you must get 0. Now, so use the formula. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation sigma d square by n into n square minus 1. Now substitute the values. So if we substitute and simplify, we get rho is equal to 1 minus 0 0.275, that is rho is equal to 0 0.725. Okay. So how we have to write the interpretation? So the obtained value is 0.725, hence the coefficient of correlation is positive and it denotes high correlation with variables. This is how we have to write interpretation for this value. Now second, compute the coefficient of correlation by rank difference method for the following data. Interpret the result. Here two scores in Kannada and English. Some scores are there. Here the 6 students got the scores in Kannada as well as English. Now rank, we have to give the rank for Kannada. This is the first one. First rank, your 97. Like that, as usual, you have to give the rank for Kannada and also rank for English you have to give. So then difference between the ranks of Kannada and English. So what do we get? So here all 0 0 in case. So here d square also 0. Here use the formula. So we will get 1 minus all 0 into 0. 0 by anything 0. So 1 only we will get. So is plus 1. So plus 1 positive. The interpretation is it is perfectly positive correlation. Okay. So here we got so is plus 1. Now suppose the 3 scores are repeated. See how we have to calculate. Okay. Here the students are there. Here R1. First you have to give the rank. So here first rank, second rank. Okay. Then third, fourth. Then here 5, 6, 7. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Add all divided by 3. So that is 8.5. Here 8.5. And R2 like that we have to calculate, and difference between R2 minus R1 minus R2. So here 6 6, all the 3 6 will come. Okay, divided by 3 means so up to 5 is given. So 6 7 8. Then 9 and 10, two scores are there. Here, therefore that divided by 2, that is 8.5, 8 9 over 10. Okay, like that. So here 3, so that we have to up to 5 here. So 4 given, 5 6 7. Okay, add all the 3 that you will get. So here R2 difference you take, you will get this one. D square, you will square it, add all the square. So you will get D square equals 136.5. Now, so rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square by n square minus 1. Substitute the values, the formula and come to, and you will get the 1 minus 0.827. So is equal to 0.173. Okay. Now what is the interpretation? Here 0.17. So coefficient of correlation is an indifferent, it has negligible relationship. Okay. Now in this, as I told that 3 scores are repeated, always you have to keep in mind that I given note, if 3 scores are repeated, add all the ranks and take average in this problem. That is So up to 4 given. So 5, 6, 7. Okay. 18 by 3, that is 6. You have to give 6, 6, 6 all. So 5, 6, 7 given. Again 8 you have to give. So there 8 and 9 are same. Therefore 8.5, 8.5 are given. Okay, this is how we have to calculate the coefficient of correlation by given scores. So thank you for watching. If not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe.